Hello aspirants, so I'll be answering this question. What is the next step after passing the PMA PNPA entrance exam? So after passing the exam, typically it involves a series of procedures and this includes the following. First, you will receive as official notification of your exam results, typically through an announcement or email from the PMA or PNPA. You will be then scheduled by batch to report at Viluna, Quezon City for PMA and Camp Crami for PNPA with your additional documents. Then you will undergo complete physical examination, which includes medical examinations, physical fitness tests, psychological tests, final interview. But for PNPA, the final interview will be conducted upon reporting at Silang, Cavite. So I'll be discussing it one by one in separate vlog. And then if you pass the last phase of selection process, it will be announced or you will receive an email that you are now an official cadet with your class. Then you will report for orientation, briefing, and finally O-taking. Then reception rites and immediately follows the day 1 of your training. So good luck aspirants!